Hello, my lovely Aquarius. I welcome you all in my channel. And thank you so much for coming back to my channel, for liking, sharing, and giving lots of love to my channel and liking my videos and for giving beautiful, beautiful messages, comments on them. This is your soulmate love reading for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. So let's see what are the soulmate love reading, and I am going to do your soulmate love reading. It's not going to resonate with each of you, but I will hope that it will resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating with your situation. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Okay, so let me adjust myself, sorry. So yeah, so let's start your reading, Aquarius. I am going to take 4 cards here for you and 4 cards for your person on the right side. Okay, and in the between I'm going to take two mutual energy cards. Okay, so let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Help me out. What are the messages for my Aquarius? What are the energy of the Aquarius? King of Wands, Lovers, Ace of Pentacle. What are the messages for my Aquarius? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? And I don't take reversals, Aquarius. There are 5 cards, okay? Okay, there are 5 cards come for you. So let's see. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius partner? What are the messages for my Aquarius partner? Justice is the first card. What are the messages for my Aquarius partner? Two of Swords. What are the messages for my Aquarius partner? What are the messages? Okay. And there are again, I am going to take I was going to take 4 cards only, but now I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards for your partner. And let me adjust my camera. Okay, I'm getting 7 cards for your partner and 5 cards for you. That's not right, right? Let's see. Let me know more cards for my Aquarius. What? Okay, let me know one more card for Aquarius. Please give me one more card for Aquarius. And too many cards. Give me one more card. Okay, okay. Now it's equal. So yes, let's see what is the mutual energy between Aquarius and their partners. What is the mutual energy between their partners and Hangman and 9 of Pentacles? No, I'm not going to take it. That was just fallen out. What is the mutual energy? What is the mutual energy between Aquarius and their partners? What are the mutual energy between... I only want one mutual energy card and it just... Can you see? Emperor and Empress both have came again. What to do? No, I'm not going to take. I want only one card. Okay. I want only one card for mutual energy. 4 of Swords. You both are spying on each other. Okay. Either one of you are spying on one another. So Aquarius, you are getting King of Wands and the Lovers and Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you're getting something passionate, stable and solid, and Wheel of Fortune has come in your reading too. So yes, so you are getting the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and you're getting a new beginning, a start with this, getting passionate King of Wands energy in your love life with the Lovers. Okay, and you're getting something stable offer, a stable committed offer in your life. Okay, so there were some third party situation. Three of Swords energy is there. There was some third party situation involved in your life, but now you are getting some new hopes and desires. You are manifesting. 10 of Cups, can you see? These two cards belong to Aquarius. Star card is there. So this is you, Aquarius. You are hoping for new hopes and desires. You're getting new hopes and desires, and you are manifesting this 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything with your soulmate. Okay, so you are manifesting it and you are getting it. Okay, with them they are having justice. Wheel of Fortune, I took it for this card. Okay, so for them they are having justice. Okay, and Two of Swords is there. They are indecision. They were unable to make a decision, but justice is being served in their case. Okay, and there is a pair. They are coming towards a calmer water, King of Pentacles and Six of Swords. They are coming towards a calmer water. They are deciding about you, Queen of Pentacles. Can you see King of Pentacle and King of Pentacle both are there in their reading? Okay, a pair is there, so they want to come towards a calmer water with you, and they are deciding on something with this Two of Wands, and they may send you some Page of Pentacles. They want to give you some small message or small amount of something which you can touch. Can you see? Small offer, small message, or small thing. That will be a small thing. Okay, that will be a little thing, but you will receive something from your partner. Okay, they want to get on a calmer waters, and the mutual energy is the Hangman and Page of Swords. You and your past person are feeling like a hangman. Sorry for the noises behind the video. There are children in my home and they are playing a lot. And Page of Swords is there. You and your, either you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Aquarius is Page of Swords energy. They are spying on you through Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. They are looking online for you, and there is an Hangman energy. You are feeling stuck. Can you I'm going to explain, I'm going to clarify what is the meaning of Hangman. Explain me the meaning of Hangman. Explain me the meaning of Hangman. There were some conflicts around you and their partner. Okay, now the Tower moment has come in your life between you and your partner. You both are juggling between two energies. You are looking at Seven of Swords. You both are looking whether it's going to last or not, and either you or your person is very defensive, guarding their self. And Three of Wands, you're waiting for the ships to come. Okay, what is Page of Swords? What is the meaning of Page of Swords? Page of Swords is Page of Cups. There is Page of Cup and Page of Pentacle. Can you see? They want to offer you something, and there is Ace of Cups. They will offer you Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment card. Have patience, Aquarius. Something is ending. Death card is there. Okay, so new birth is coming. So they will offer you some small cup or apology or sorry, small message you will receive from your soulmate, and then you will receive the Ace of Cups too. They want to give you Ace of Cups, or you are want to give Ace of Cups. You will give the Ace of Cups to them. Let me see why there is Three of Swords here in your reading. What is the meaning of Three of Swords? What is the meaning of Three of Swords? Explain me the meaning of Three of Swords. What is the meaning of Three of Swords? Explain me the meaning of Three of Swords. Whatever past hurts were there. Yeah, see. Okay, you need to release past hurts, past burdens, Aquarius, because someone is moving towards you at a slow pace, but it's getting victory in it. So yeah, they are moving at a slow pace, but it's a loyal one. They will get succeed in it. Whatever it's going to happen, whatever you are going, maybe you are getting away from this energy. In the past you were very hurt, okay, you were having so much heartaches, hurts, heartbreaks in the past, okay, but now you are slowly moving ahead, okay, and you are getting success in moving ahead because you are getting the star card, okay, so you are moving ahead from this third party situation, past hurts, whatever bad was happening. 1111 was the recording reading time. You are moving at a slow pace, but you are moving ahead for sure. Okay, so let me explain one more thing. What are the messages from the universe? I need to explain. What are the messages and advices from the universe? Please help me. Okay, what are the messages and advices? What are the messages and advices? What are the messages and advices from the universe? What are the advices and messages from the universe? What are the advices? What are the advices and messages? Page of Pentacles. What are the advices and messages? What are the advices and messages? What are the advices and messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from the myth? Again, King and Queen has come. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Page of Swords energy again. So yeah, either they are spying on you, Aquarius, or you are spying on them. So it can be vice versa. You know better than me. But this is not good energy. That's what I'm getting for you, because again, it's the main, whatever I have done in the main reading, it's getting for you. Okay, Six of Cups and Six of Pentacles. The person is from your past, Six of Cups, and they want to offer you equal amount of give and take. But there is Moon and Devil. That's the advice. That's the outcome. Six of Pentacles and Six of Cups, and that's the advice. There is something which is toxic, and the Moon is there. Some lies, secrets, cheating, deception, toxicity is there, Aquarius. You need to take care of yourself, and in this too. And can you see the same cards have come which have come in your main reading too? So yeah, there is some Seven of Swords energy. That's very deceptive energy is there for you, around you. The Page of Pentacle again is there. You will receive something from your partner today or tomorrow, from next 3 days. It's a timeless reading, so you can receive within 1 week too. So but you will receive something, but there were some conflicts in the past. Five of Wands, but right now you are Nine of Pentacles. You will receive some stable offer, Aquarius. There are two pages. See again, King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. And there is Queen of Cups and King of Cups again. And there was Emperor and Empress too came, but I did not take it because it was too long. Again, it was come like this. These cards were also fallen out. The same cards which come in your main reading too. So yeah, Hermit, Eight of Pentacles, Emperor, Empress, and Ten of Swords. So yes, these are the messages. You're receiving your Ace of Pentacles, something solid, but it will take time. It's moving at a slow pace. Knight of Pentacle. Either this is you, Knight of Pentacle, Knight of Pentacle. You are moving at a slow pace. Okay, you are moving at a slow pace, but you will get your Ace of Pentacle offer. A stable, solid commitment. But advice is that there are some toxicity. There is some moon, dice, cheating, deception energy around you. You need to take care of these Aquarius. Okay. So yeah, this is your soulmate reading. I hope it helped you out in some manner. Okay. The reading is same as, almost same, which I have done for you. Let's add some charms and close it out. Let's see. And oh yeah, I forget to do that. Okay, let's see what your soulmate wants to tell you. What might Aquarius want to listen? Aquarius, what are their soulmate wants to tell them? You are genuine. They want to tell you. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you are genuine. What are the messages from the soulmate to the Aquarius all over the world? You and I have so much in common. That's they want to tell you. You love me the way nobody else. You love me the way that nobody else. What are the messages? What are the messages which Aquarius from the soulmate? You look deep into my eyes. Wow. You and I have a great understanding. Okay. You and me deal with every situation well. They want to tell you this. Anything else Aquarius soulmate wants to tell? Anything else? Anything else they want to tell? Okay. Anything else? Anything else they want to tell? Okay. You respect everything I like. They want to tell you that you respect everything they like. You are always there when I need you. You make me feel alive. Wow. You hold me tight. You are my home. Your soulmate wants to tell you this, Aquarius, that you are their home. You do silly things for me. They want to tell you that you sound sexy over the phone. You sound sexy over the phone. Okay, they want to tell you this. And you make me a positive person. They want to tell you that you make them a positive person. So these are the messages for my Aquarius from their soulmates. So let's add some charms to the reading and let's close it off. Okay. So Aquarius, some of you are dealing with Leo. Okay. Some of you are dealing with Leo. Taurus. Cancer. Capricorn. Okay. And Virgo. So these are the 5 signs which I'm getting in the reading. Okay, there is a clove leaf, which means good news coming your way. Good fortune, good news is coming your way. There are again 2 leaves here. That is again a sign of twin flame. Okay, twin flame. And there is 2 again, a bigger leaves. So again there are 2. Again a confirmation of twin flame in your life. There is 2 stars too. Wow. See, 2 stars are there. Again a confirmation of twin flame. Okay, there is a turtle, small turtle. If I will able to see you, make you available to see you. There is a turtle here, a small turtle. Okay, so turtle is there. It's very lucky, Aquarius. Okay. 1 minute. I'm going to correct myself. There is two turtle Aquarius. It's also confirmation for twin flame. There are two turtles. Can you see two turtles? Slow and steady wins the race. Two turtles. Very beautiful Aquarius. There is a turtle in pair. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There is a leaf for you, a leaf, feather leaf. Then there is a good fortune. This is also very lucky for you. Okay, fortune is coming your way. Then there is a tree. Okay, so yeah, these are the messages, these are the charms for you, Aquarius. I hope it helped you out in some manner. I hope this message will help you out in some manner and it will resonate with you. And if you like my video, you can please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Till that time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.